Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In the last video, I have told you about the rules by which we can draw the ray diagrams for the concave and the convex mirror. Here in this video, we will discuss about the image formation by the concave mirror. Here, you must remember first those 4 rules, then you will be able to draw the diagrams of the images formed by the concave mirror. At various positions we will place the object. Okay? So first is the object is at infinity. So position of the object, that is at infinity. What do you mean by infinity? That the object is quite far off. Some tree or some building, that is the object, and the rays, they are coming from it and they will strike the concave mirror. First, this is the concave mirror. Okay, this is the concave mirror. The inner side, from the inner side, the reflection of the light that will take place. Okay. So the first rule that you know, that a ray parallel to the principal axis will strike the mirror and it will pass through the focus. Okay. In the same way, this ray also, it starts from the object and it will go parallel to the principal axis and it will also pass through the focus, and the point where these 2 rays intersect, the image that will be formed. This means the image is formed at principal focus. Okay. So what is the nature of the image? This is the ray. You can see that from C, the ray that is going, and it's following this law of reflection also. So when you are to draw the diagram, you must write the nature of the image formed. That what type of the image that is formed. First is the position of the image. The position of the image is at focus. Okay, it is at focus. Second is size of the image. It is point sized or highly diminished. You can write point sized image that is formed. And what type of the image is this? It can be taken on the screen. So it is real and inverted. It is real and inverted. This you must write after drawing the ray diagram. Okay. So I think this is clear to all of you that how the image that is formed, we must follow the rules for drawing the ray diagrams. The things will become clear when you will take up this one. Beyond, when the object is, position of the object, when it is beyond center of curvature. What do you mean by beyond? We know that on the principal axis, there are point F and C. This is the center of curvature. So the object is beyond, idhar ko, okay? काफ़ी दूर C से. So the ray will start parallel from the object, parallel to the principal axis, and then it will pass through the focus. First rule. Now the ray will start from here and it will pass through center of curvature and it will strike the mirror here and it will come back on the same path. Okay, this is again the rule. Okay, third rule I think. So where these two rays cross, the image that is formed. So here image is real and inverted, okay. Then it is smaller than the object, okay, size. And what is the position? It is in between principal focus and the center of curvature, okay. So position is between C and F, between F and C, okay, it is between F and C. Size of the image smaller than the object, smaller than the object, or diminished you can say. Type of the image, it's again real and inverted. Inverted image. That is, you can see the arrow that it's opposite to this. Okay. So the two positions we have done. I think this is clear to all of you. Now the third position of the object, that is at center of curvature C. Okay. Now this is the concave mirror, point P, pole, focus and C. The object is at center of curvature. Okay. Now the ray that will start from here parallel to the principal axis and it will pass through focus. Okay. The second ray, it will start from the object and it will pass through the focus and it will become parallel to the principal axis. That is the second rule. And where they will meet, the image will be there. So what is the nature of the image formed in this case? First is position of the image. It is at C. Okay, so it is at center of curvature, or you can write at C or center of curvature. Size of the image. Object is this much size, image is also this much size. So what you will write? Same size. Image is of same size as that of the object. Okay. And type of the image, it is real and inverted. This is real and inverted. So all the four rules that should be clear, and then you will be able to draw all the diagrams. Okay. Now the fourth one is between center of curvature and focus. Earlier we have done at infinity, okay, then at center of curvature we have done, and now the center of curvature and focus. Okay, at that time the object was beyond C. Second is object is beyond C and the image that was formed between C and F. But now the object is, this is P, F, C. Object is between C and F. Okay. The ray will start from here. It will strike the mirror and it will pass through the focus. Okay. Second ray will start from here. It will pass through the focus and become parallel to the principal axis. And where these two rays, they will meet, there will be the image. Okay. So here the image is beyond C. Position of the image, it is beyond C. When the object was beyond C, image was formed between C and F. but now the object is between C and F, the image is formed beyond C. Size of the image, you can see it is bigger, it's larger, or you can say enlarged. Enlarged than the object. And type of the image, that is again real and inverted. So 4 ray diagrams we have done. In all, we will do 6 ray diagrams. 5th ray diagram is when the object is at focus. Okay? So here the object is at focus. Clear? The ray will start from the object parallel to the principal axis, and then it will pass through the principal focus. Okay? And the second ray, it passes through the center of the curvature. It will strike the mirror and then it will return back on the same path. And where the 2 rays, they cross, but here they are parallel to each other. So, where the image is formed, they are parallel to, these 2 rays are going parallel to each other. This means that the image is formed at infinity. Have you noticed one thing? That when the object was at infinity, the image that was formed at focus. Here, the object is at focus, the image that will be formed at infinity. So this is, so the position of the image at infinity, okay. Size of the image, enlarged, that will be bigger one, enlarged. And what is the type? It is real and inverted. Real and inverted image that is formed. Okay. So in all these 5 cases, real and inverted images formed. Now the last one, that is when the object is between pole and focus. Okay, this is pole, this is focus, this is the object, it is between pole and focus. The 4th rule, the ray will start from here, it will strike at pole and then it will come back. Here angle I, that is equal to angle R. The second ray, that will pass through center of curvature and it will return back on the same path. Where these 2 rays, they will meet, they will appear to meet behind the mirror. Okay, so here a bigger, enlarged, as well as the virtual and erect arrow, you can see virtual and erect image that is formed when the object is between pole and focus. So position of the image, it will be behind the mirror. Second, size. What will be the size? It will be enlarged. And what is the type of the image formed? It is virtual and erect. So this is all about the ray diagrams formed by the concave mirror. Okay, I think all these diagrams, they are clear to you. You must practice them 2-3 times and then you will be perfect. Now, there is sometimes question asked that write 1 mark question, that is write one or two uses of concave mirror. So where these concave mirrors they are used? You must have seen the cars or the torches, headlights of the car, then torches, they are in them this is used, concave mirror that is used. Concave mirror is also used by the dentist to see the enlarged image of the teeth. Okay, concave mirror is also used to see your face. Okay, so that you can see the enlarged image of your face, that is also there. So concave mirror, that is very, very important. It's also used to concentrate the sunlight. Okay, in case of the solar furnaces, etc., the light that will be, or you can say the heat that will be concentrated at one point by using the concave mirror. So the ray diagrams and the uses of the concave mirror, that is finished. Now in the next video, I will take up another topic of this chapter. Till then, thank you very much.